Good evening, friends. Welcome back into my YouTube channel Technical Fantasy. And before proceeding further, I would like to request you kindly subscribe this channel. So now I would like to tell you about my today's topic, and that is how we can use two WhatsApp accounts or two Facebook accounts in a single mobile with two different numbers. So how can we do that? That is very much possible in Android mobiles. Now I will tell you in the Samsung Galaxy. Go to the settings and go to the advanced feature, and then go to the dual messengers. So now here we are seeing that WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram and Messenger, these four services can be used by two accounts. That is, by using two numbers we can use two WhatsApp accounts, we use two Facebook accounts in the same mobile. So how we can do that? Just tap on here. It will tell that install the second copy of WhatsApp. Install it. Second copy of WhatsApp installed. Now we will see that here one more icon has come, that is second copy of WhatsApp. After clicking this, we can go the similar language English, and now it will ask agree and continue, and then it will ask about the number. And now after registering and completing all the formalities, we can use the second WhatsApp account apart from the first account. So these two accounts can now be used. Now coming to the here back screen, if we activate Facebook, in similar fashion second copy of Facebook will be installed, and there we will see that second copy of Facebook has also been installed. So by activating these WhatsApp, Facebook and Telegram and messengers, we can use the second account of Facebook and WhatsApp on the same mobile. So this is all about the Samsung Galaxy. In other Android phone like MI, this features comes under dual app mode. So this is all about today's tutorial. Thank you. Thanks a lot.